My name is Georgia and I live in Cibubur and I'm born in Jakarta. The reason why I want to take Karantina Simak UI is because we get to learn more here, like it's more intensive, and I get to learn more from when I am at home, and the tutors here really help me to learn a lot. The tutors here are really patient and they are really nice. Whenever we ask them questions, they won't get mad and they'll explain and elaborate more on our questions so that we really understand the topic. And before we start solving the questions in the book provided, they'll explain a little bit about the subject, and I feel like this really helps me a lot. I would say it would be the games that we do sometimes. This is really refreshing, so we don't study all the time, and it really cools down my mind after a long day of study. This book is really helpful because whenever I finish studying at 9, I will look through this book again and redo the questions so that I'll get familiar with the questions in Simak. For the coaching, it helps me choose what major I want. So there's already a clear picture on what I want to take. And for Klinik Pintar, it really helps me catch up on subjects I don't know. For example, we're going to review some tryouts and maybe we're going to review a topic that we don't understand. And this is really helpful at night. Yeah, it really helps me. It makes me feel more confident in taking the Simak test because I know more about the questions now because I already done some of it, and the tutors really help me achieve to study more. I would say amazing, fun, and top. Latte Supercamp Alumni UI is the perfect choice for those who want to achieve their dream universities. Come join now! The link is over here.
Latte Supercamp Alumni